Hey, good morning, folks. Clint from Pik Rite here again. Wanted to show you guys this truck we just got finished up. Been calling it Project Dark Horse, and just really turned out nice. Really nice, clean, fit and finish truck. Our whole team did a great job all the way around on the whole truck. Can't go wrong with black and chrome. Just can't. It's great looking truck. In the sunlight, it actually has some metallic in it, so it's more than just a black. It's a great truck. So, I think I mentioned before, customer does municipal work, some late night pump stations and stuff. Pump for 10 minutes, wait an hour, pump for another 10 minutes. Why not have a little bunk for your guys to take a nap in? Better than laying two boards across the seat. So it works good. Customer's excited to put the truck into service. It's going to fit their needs. So walking around the truck, the truck dealer we worked with did a couple things right from the get-go. Of course, the panels and the extra lights, painted the fuel tanks, and then also did the straps on the breathers, added the extra lights, just cleaned it up, gave it a nice custom look. We got the truck, of course, bare chassis. Started with our 4310 slim blower install from NVE. This is the second one now. First one we hung, second one to leave our shop. Excited about them, seem to be working good. In this situation, it allowed for us to put this 18-inch toolbox in here. You know, without that, it would have been no toolboxes on this side, which isn't the end of the world, but why not try and make it a little bit nicer for the customer. We've also got a crustbuster box. We've been doing quite a few of them. I mentioned. So customer can set his crustbuster right in there. 2-blade paddle straight across. Head unit sits in there. Keep it out of the hose tray. Keep it out of the weather. Full remote control. PTO, vacuum neutral pressure, valve open close, RPM readout on the screen. Lights. Customer really just wants to look like a rolling billboard going down the road with his logo on it, and I think he achieved that. So actually, I don't even know how many lights are on the whole thing right now. I need to count them up. Maybe we'll do that off camera, and comment below how many lights you think are on it, and we'll send you a t-shirt or something cool. So moving around the back of the truck, got a 3-inch intake that just goes in and stops, and that has the remote actuator on it for the remote control, so he can be 300 feet away on the end of the hose and be opening and closing the valve. 6-inch discharge, so he can unload at disposal, fast, get empty, and then a 4-inch intake with a standpipe going up in with the riser. So this truck's carrying 100 gallon of fresh water. Got a valve back here that he's just simply carrying that along for cleanup. Fill a bucket, just nothing, no pump or anything, but carrying a little fresh water for cleaning up hoses. So, moving around this side, got a nice big toolbox here, and usually you can put shovels and whatnot in. The customer worked with Martin's Peterbilt on the entire truck build process. Russ Martin and the guys down there, they were a great bunch of people to work with. But this truck is Cummins Power X15 4500 series Allison automatic, so it's a 2-pedal truck. Make it a little bit nicer for finding drivers. Full gauge package, every gauge possible in it. I think there's a gauge for the seat suspension or something in there. It's crazy, everything that's loaded up in it. Extra switches for all the lights and everything. Just a real nice build. Believe it's platinum interior, so rubber floor mat, but everything else is top end Peterbilt equipment. A big thank you again to Martin Sanitation for putting their faith in us to build another custom truck for their growing fleet. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook. And if you think we can help you with your next truck purchase, please give us a call.